In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Xero password full 2025 guide. Whether you're tightening security or just want a fresh login, I'll walk you through the exact path in Xero and share tips to make the change smooth and safe. Start by heading to your Xero dashboard in your web browser. If you're not signed in yet, log in as you normally do so you land on the main dashboard. Any organization view is fine. The account settings we need are tied to your profile, not a specific company. If the interface looks slightly different from what you remember, don't worry. Xero updates the layout from time to time, but the options we need are in the same general place. Look to the top right and click your profile icon. It may show your initials or a small avatar. This opens your personal menu with settings specific to your login. From that menu, select Account. This takes you to your identity and security page, where your login details live. On the account page, locate the password section and click Change. For security, Xero may ask you to verify your identity. You might be prompted to re-enter your current password or confirm a quick code. Complete that prompt so you can continue to the password form. Now type in the required details, your current password, your new password, and then confirm the new one. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used anywhere else. A long passphrase, several random words with numbers or symbols, is both secure and easier to remember. Avoid common patterns, personal details, or anything easily guessed. If you use a password manager, generate a strong password and save it right away so it autofills correctly next time. Also, watch out for lookalike characters and remember that passwords are case sensitive. When everything looks good, click Save. Xero will check that your new password meets its requirements and then update your account. You should see a confirmation message, and you may also receive an email notifying you of the change. If it doesn't save, check for typos, ensure caps lock isn't on, and verify your new password meets the length and character rules shown on screen. Some systems also prevent reusing recent passwords, so try a different one if needed. You're all set. Your Xero password is updated. Keep it private, store it securely, and be ready to sign in with the new password on any other devices or browsers you use. If you're prompted to verify your identity again later, that's normal and helps protect your account. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your Xero login secure.